Hello, dear professor. Today our team went to present our senior project 2 topics. Before talking about my topic, I want to introduce our team. Our team name is Team Gogo and my name is Pumia Due. My ID is 6611852. This is my friend.
My name is Consultate and my ID is 11039.
My name is Winter and my ID is 11040.
I want to introduce about my topic. Our topic is the BranchWise. It is the business health monitoring and decision support system for the multi-branches owner. This system is based on the real problem operational difficulty of my family business. Our family business operate the multi-shoe branches, but daily operations are still managed manually. Although we already have the POS data, it is mainly used for the recurring sales and not for the analysis and detection supports. So as the business grows, the monitoring branch performance, inventory conditions, and revenue changes, the operational cost became the complexity and it increased the time consuming and difficult for the owner for the manually tracing. The current situation problems are multi branches to monitor daily and large amounts of POS and operational data. There is no centralized business monitoring system, so the decision making supports on the manual checking and experience. This is the real pain point of our family business, multi-shoe branches owner. Uh, so based on the user's pain point, we collect our main business problem points. This is the 3 points. The first one is the operational challenge. This is the owner spends too much time monitoring branches manually, and it is difficult to track overall branch performance. It is hard to identify what is the problem is quickly, and it is a little difficult to find the problems quickly. For the data collections, it is the data is challenged because existing POS data is underutilized, but because the data is but lack of the action area insights. So the data is rich, but lack of the automated analysis and alert system is no. So the decision making challenge is also happening because the revenue decline may not be noticed early and the overstock and cost issues are difficult to detect. The decisions rely on the heavily on the experience instead of the data. This is the pain point of the users, and for our solution is the BranchWise. It is the business health monitoring and decision support system. Our BranchWise is the centralized business monitoring system designed for the multi branches such as the shoe shops and fashionable shops. Our system transforms existing POS and operational data into actionable business insight to support the owner to monitor the performance and making decisions better. Our solution is integrating the existing POS and operational data and analyze the branch performance automatically based on the data and rule base, and we will detect the business problem and regenerate the branch health codes automatically. We will also provide the recommendation and notification when the problem is found. So our goal is the business decision support systems to foster the decision making for the shop's owner and monitor the business health, detect operational problem, and make the data driven decisions using the POS data and other operational data. Our value proposition is to help the business owner to reduce the operational monitoring time and improve the decision making using the existing POS data and real-time data and faster decision making quickly. So our system value proposition is save time in daily operation monitoring and centralized monitoring for the all branches and faster identification of the business problem and supports the decision data driven decision making. It converts the raw data, POS data into the useful insights. Our main contribution is combining the business monitoring, health scoring, decision support into the one centralized system for the multi-branch shoe shops owner. There are 6 core features inside our BranchWise systems. The first one is business health code. It generates the branch health code 0 to 100 and it based on the health score, our system show green to red points, and it elevates the overall branch performance. When the problem is detected, for the problem detection, we are mainly focused on the four major points of the four pillar. The first one is the revenue, inventory, customer strength, and operational cost. If these points there is the problem is detected, we will notify the system to the owners and when where is the problem is detected. And we also make the smart recommendations to solve the problems to get the machine to suggest the possible action based on the detached problem. Our system also provide the business insights automatically, and the owner can support the faster decision than the manual decision support. The next one is multi-branches dashboard. When we are focusing on the centralized monitoring systems, and when the owner can see the multi-branches dashboard and he can realize where is the problem and which branch is happening which problem like this. This is our core features. This is the technical design of the system overall. Our system will consume the POS data, cost data, and operational data. Then our system will analyze the data analyze engines, generate the health scores of the overall branches and the problem detections based on the rule base. And we will also the to solve the problem, we will also recommendations and notifications to the owner. With the chatbot, we will generate the chatbot, and the owner can see the output of the overall score, and he can know very easily where is the problem. And our chatbot, if there is some answers about the business, and he can use the chatbot where is the problem and how to fix the problem, and our system also recommendations and where is the pain point like this. This is the business scenario for our business. For example, there are a lot of multi branches. For example, the branch A and B and C. There is the branch A is the red point, and it has because it has the revenue does the 50% and inventory remaining and sold for the 90 days. The system detects these issues automatically, and it's reduced the branch health costs when the and give the alert to the owners, and the our assistant also make the recommendations like the creates the discount promotion for the slow moving products, and the owner can decide very quickly, and the owner can know where is the problem and how to fix it. Our assistant reduce the manual checking time and support faster business decisions making using the existing business data. It helps the business owner to identify the operational problems earlier and make faster decision driven system. Inside our system, there's the AI part. It's the supporting component only inside our system, not the main focus. We mainly use the rule-based analysis to detect the problem, and AI is used to support the explanation, recommendation, and answer business questions of the owner and suggest possible actions based on the analyzed business data. This makes the system practical and feasible for our senior projects while we are the cooperating with the AI. There are a little challenges inside our system because our shoe shots are based on the Myanmar, and there is the limited internet availability in Myanmar. I think 1 or 2 hours internet availability in Myanmar. So the difficulty in maintaining a full centralized real-time system is difficulty, and the data consistency and summarizing across the multi branches is also difficulty because operational costs and other some of the costs are collected with the manually, and it's decreased the data consistency. And for our approach solution is use the offline first data collections for of the periodic standardization, and we store all the data locally and we will upload when the internet is available. And that is our design system is to work with the branch update instead of the real time. For example, we will expected once a day for uploading the data. Our scope adjustment is now we will focus on the two branches sales data first for the implementation and use the historical sales data for the analysis and validations, and we will focus on the core business monitoring and decision support features. AI is used for the supporting components only. This is our scope adjustment. Thank you very much for your time, Professor. Bye bye.